Hello all, I am Javad Basha here. In the last session we have been discussed about selection process. Right now we are discussing about the importance of the selection process. And we know that selection is nothing but picking the right candidate for the job on the basis of their educational background, on the basis of their experience, on the basis of their skill set, correct? So for this we see that there are various different steps followed by the organizations to find out the right candidate for the particular job. And we know that every organization following their own standards, own methods for the selection. And basically we have been discussed about some modern approach of selection process, which include 10 steps, and also some traditional methods of selection process, which generally involve 7 steps. Right now we are discussing about importance of the selection process. Selection process, proper selection process and placement of employees lead to growth and development of the company. The company can be similarly only be as good as the capabilities of its employees. Right, we know that the companies like Apple, Amazon, Flipkart, Google, which are having the highly skilled and talented, passionate employees. Because of their employees, the companies are growing so fast. As Google, as we know that Facebook has been started in the year 2004, and now it has become one of the leading companies in the world. Correct. And we can see that the changes in Apple company. And guys, we can quote the best examples of Virginia Airlines. Right. The owner of that Virginia Airlines quoted, "If I take care of my employees, they will take care of my business." Correct. If I will take care of my employees, they will take care of my business. Correct. Because employees are the first place. The employees are in the first place. They are responsible to taking forwarding the business. They are responsible for the growth, development of the company. Hence, it is important to select the right candidate to the job, and it helps hiring a talented and skilled employees results in the swift achievement of company's goals. Right. So selection process helps hiring in talented and skilled employees who are resulting in the swift achievements of the company goals. Guys, we know that the present CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, right? Because he became CEO of Google on the basis of his talent and skills, right? When the Google was searching for their next CEO or the next head, they are looking for the person who is having the skills and talent, who can take the company to the next level, right? The same will be done by the Sundar Pichai. We know that. And for hiring these talented and this kind of talented and skilled employees, selection process helps for the organization. We know that how the organizations are spending huge money on the candidates from IITs, IIMs every year. We saw that, right? They are offering the lakhs or crores of yearly or annual package to the candidates because of the talent and skills, right? And selection process helps in drastically reducing the number of industrial accidents by providing or selecting the right technical staff. Correct. So we know that industrial accidents are very common at workplace because of the unskilled laborers or lack of knowledge or some personal issues, like, correct. So to avoid this, it is very important to have a right selection process, because in selection process only they are screened the job aspirants. So by that they are drastically reducing number of industrial accidents by hiring the right technical staff, right? So it will also help an organization in reducing the cost or in terms of compensation payment, and also it helps an organization in the terms of productivity, right? So the next importance of selection process is when people get jobs they are good at, it creates a sense of satisfaction with them, and thus their work efficiency and quality improves, right? In selection process helps to select the right candidate. Here right candidate means the person who has passion towards the job, that particular job. So when the person is having the passion towards that particular job, he can create the magic or wonders, right? Correct, he can create wonders. So it also results in the sense of satisfaction. So satisfaction again, which results in the work efficiency and quality improves, we know that. And the next importance of selection process is people who are satisfied with their job often tend to have high morale and motivation to perform better, right? So we know that the morale and motivation are some psychological factors which are getting only through job satisfaction. Job satisfaction means when an organization creates such environment to perform, correct? When the organization provides such a good environment to perform better in the job, right? So it could happen only through a good selection process. Hence, it is very necessary to have a good selection process within the organization to get the right employees. So the right employees who are responsible to take forward the business of the company, who are responsible to set new standards, who can provide the competitive edge to the company in terms of economical, skill-based, knowledge-based, right? Who can also help an organization to set some industrial standards and also benchmarks within the industry, right? So here we know that people are everything. Without the human resource we can't do anything, because human resource is very necessary to achieve the organizational goals and objectives, and also to set new goals, right? To run business continuously, correct? We can see that there are few organizations which are running over past centuries. Why? Because they are having a good selection process. They are always providing a platform to the right people, right candidates who are deserving, who are passionate, who are concerned about their future, who have some definite career plans, right? And also who are looking to get an opportunity to showcase their talent, skills, right? So hence, selection process is very important, guys. That's it about selection and selection process. So in the next classes we will be discussing about the management development. Okay, thank you class, thank you.